Hello guys, welcome to Cryptic Tech YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this video, and also click on the notification button to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Guys, today I'll be teaching you how to sell your dog's airdrop. A very simple method to sell your dog's airdrop. Dogs will be listing I think in the next 3 to 4 hours, so it will be a lot easier if you watch this video to know how to sell your dog's airdrop. So guys, this is Bybit. I'll be teaching you both on Bybit and Binance to know how to sell your dogs. So your dogs can either be in your funding or your unified trading. Your dogs can either be in your funding or unified trading. So my dogs is in my funding. So in order to swap or convert your dogs to USDT, you have to send it from funding to trading, unified trading. So to do this, it is very easy. So just click on this transfer here, you click on it. So you look for your dogs, which is here, or you search, click on dogs. As you can see, this is my dogs. So I'll transfer it to unified trading. Confirm. So that's all for that. So then you go to your spot, which is this spot. So this is it. This is your spot. This is where to sell your dogs. You convert your dogs to USDT. So you click on this, then you search for dogs, which is this. As you can see, coming soon. So in the next 3 hours 25 minutes, dogs will be available for trading. So you can actually sell your dogs, convert it to USDT immediately. So I'll be using an example. I'll use Notcoin as an example. So to know how to sell your dogs. So you click on this Notcoin. So what you do is you click on sell. Like, this is just an example because dog is not available right now. You can't sell dogs right now, so it has not been listed yet. So Notcoin is already listed on every other exchange. So what you do is you click on sell. To make it faster, you click on this limit, you change it to market, then you just toggle this down to 100%. Then you click on sell your dogs. As you can see, sell dogs, they are basically the same thing. They're all the same. So you just click sell dogs. So that's how you sell your dogs on Bybit. That's how you sell your dogs on Bybit. So you just click on sell, and that's all. So you can later just go to P2P to sell, convert it to Naira if you're in Nigerian or any other currency. So that's all for this. Then let's go to Binance. So guys, this is Binance. The main reason why I love Binance, you don't have to transfer to unified trading or funding or that. So what you just do is just go straight to trades. As you can see, I already have my dogs here. Which is there. You just go to trades. Then you search for dogs. Like I said earlier, dogs is not listed. So it's basically the same thing. The same way you sold on Bybit is the same way you sell in Binance. So you just look. Okay, let's go with nuts. I do have nuts. Yes, I'm aware. Yeah, confirm. So I do have nuts. You just click on this, you change it to market to make it easier. Then you just toggle this down here. If you want to sell, you toggle it down here. Then you click on sell nuts, sell dogs. They're all the same. So when dogs is listed, when dogs is listed, you just come to Binance. Well, I prefer to use Binance in most of my trades because mostly they list at a very high price. So I remember the last time when Notcoin listed, Binance listed Not for about 0.02 dollars, while Bybit listed for about 0.07. So you can see the difference. The margin is like is big. So I do prefer Binance. So you just go to Binance. Well, whichever exchange you prefer, you just make sure you use it well. So you just, dogs is not listed yet. It's not listed yet. So this I think that's all for now. So guys, do not forget to like this video, drop a comment, and also share this video to your loved ones. See you guys next time.